Today I'm going to discuss what a lien is. A lien is a charge upon real or personal property for the satisfaction of some debt or duty ordinarily arising by operation of law. There are several types of liens. In this report, I'm going to discuss the different types of liens, a major issue caused by liens, and also a recent case. I will start by discussing consensual liens. Consensual liens are the most common type of lien, which occurs when both parties agree to the placement of the lien. These liens can also be called purchase money liens and include first mortgages and also car loans. A new group that has fallen into the consensual liens are second mortgages, payday loans, and also home equity lines of credit. Statutory liens are the second type of lien I will discuss. They consist of mechanics liens and tax liens. Mechanics liens occur when someone places a lien on your house for services rendered or for products rendered when either building or adding additions to a home. A tax lien is normally placed by the IRS or another government agency for unpaid taxes. Federal liens extend to future purchases as well, and also any rights to future purchases. Judicial liens is the third type of lien. It occurs when a court grants a creditor actual rights to a property owned by a debtor. Once a monetary judgment has been granted, a creditor can attach a lien on real property, seize bank accounts, or even garnish wages. If not so, the lien can force the sale of a property to satisfy the debt. One major issue that occurs with liens is when people abuse them. Under the Uniform Commercial Code, anyone can place a lien. Liens affect a person's credit rating and the ability to sell a property in a timely manner. There is a growing movement in the United States by a group of people known as sovereign citizens. Sovereign citizens are responsible for a number of cases in which they file illegal liens against other people's property. Most states have laws that require the Secretary of State to accept any lien that is filed without judging whether it is justified or not. This helps the sovereign citizens to file $1 million worth of liens every year. The FBI has labeled this strategy paper terrorism. Some states are beginning to enact laws to toughen the penalties for filing illegal liens. The case I'm going to discuss is the Commerce Bank Harrisonburg versus Kessler. The Kessler case was very important in how mechanic liens are processed. In the Kessler case, the homeowners purchased a loan and contracted with the builder to construct a luxury home. The builder soon began excavating the property. The borrowers purchased the house with a $435,000 open-end loan to cover construction costs and personal debts. Later, the borrowers failed to make their payments to the lender and defaulted on their mortgage. Both the bank and the builder obtained default judgments against the borrowers who filed for bankruptcy. The home was set for a sheriff's sale when the lender and builder filed for a joint emergency motion to state a sheriff's sale and adjudicate lien priority dispute. The original court sided with the lender, and the sheriff's sale continued. The builder appealed to the appeals court and won under section 1508 of the mechanic lien law. This law states that mechanics liens enjoy priority over competing liens of the competing lien was filed after the date of visible commencement upon ground erecting or construction improvements. The Supreme Court later upheld the ruling and also made some changes to the law. On July 9, 2014, Governor Corbett signed the Pennsylvania Mechanics Lien Law, or State Bill 145. It stated that mechanics liens are subordinate to an open-end mortgage that is recorded substitute or commencement of construction of at least 65% proceeds of an open-end mortgage. This provided some coverage for lenders and protected some homeowners from being able to have mechanics lien placed on their property. This case is still very relevant because it was resolved in July of 2014. There has also been a number of new legislative laws passed reinforcing this decision made by the Supreme Court of Pennsylvania. The expanded open-end mortgage priorities took effect on September 8, 2014. It applies to liens for work visibly commenced prior to the effective date that are not perfected until on or after September 8, 2014. Thank you.